100 countries and continuous innovation from dozens of mill engineers. Develops generation. LUM ultra-fine vertical mill and XZM ultra-fine mill for ultra-fine powders. LM vertical mill, MTW European textoidal mill. Nowadays, Zenith's machinery not only dominates the domestic market with 70 operation of production line and saves the labor cost, but also real-time monitor the running status of the equipment, safeguard the stable and safe running of the equipment, and save the operation